Hey guys, this is Dalton Smith from omodalton.com, and I want to help you with your Forex trading today. One of the biggest issues I come across is people asking me how to time their entries and not miss them, whether up or down. That seems to be what people struggle with the most, and I want to show you the indicator that I use that it's pretty much going to make you like spot on your entries, and it works on all time frames, and it's really good at sniper entries. So I'm going to share my screen real quick. So here's my chart. It's the GBP CHF. We're on the 15-minute time frame, and I've shown here that this is just for pretend, right? But we've met resistance here or support here, and we're looking for an upward trade, and we want to know how to time our entry. Go up here to indicators. And it's the directional movement index and ADX key level strategy. Let's type it in. If you type in directional movement index ADX key level strategy by console, that's what we're looking for. Right here. So if we zoom in, this is the tool I use for entries and exits. So we have three things here. Or four things technically. We have the green line, we have the red line, we have the ADX key level, and this is the DMI, the directional movement index. So what we want to do, and really technically you can trade just like this, honestly, which is crazy. So what we want to do is watch and see which is on top. Is the red on top or is the green on top? If the red is on top, it's a sell. And if the green is on top, it's a buy. Okay. So this right here would have been a buy because the green is on top. This right here would have been a sell because the red's on top, right? Green is on top, it's a buy. Red is on top as a sell. Okay. Now that in itself is not enough. What we need is for the directional movement index to raise above the key level. Okay, this is the key level right here. So green or red must, whichever one on top is in power. And then when this DMI raises above the key level, we enter the trade. Okay, so the way this works is that we would have entered the trade here, okay, in a buy. Okay, this I probably would not have entered. Right here, green, buy, okay, red, sell, okay, and of course, red here, sell. And you can see how it shows you when the market loses power as well, but it's great for timing entries. So let's just go back. I want to show you how accurate this is. Let's just go here, okay? So we've got, without even looking at the charts, we've got green on top, and we've got the DMI headed up. Let's just take a peek and see what this looks like on the chart, okay? And you're gonna love this. Without even looking at the chart, look how accurate this was for timing an entry. This is the DMI ADX key level. So the deal is when the DMI drops like this, it goes back down below the key level, we're out of the trade. We know here that the trade is losing power, and when it crosses back through the key level, we're out. I hope that makes sense to you. If it doesn't, just get a hold of me and we will talk, okay? Technically, when it tanked, we would have gotten out right there. As soon as I see it dip like that, I'm pretty much done because I'm watching candles too. But see how accurate this is here? Let's look at one more, okay? See the reds on top? The DMI comes up, and this is our trade. When the DMI tanks and goes down, the trade is over. This is what I use for entries and exits. It works on every single time frame. So like on the 1 hour, I will watch for this, like on the 1 hour, I'll see a strong buy. Like when it goes really vertical like this, I'll watch for a strong buy on the 1 hour. And then I'll drop down to the 15-minute, look for the strong buy, then drop down to the 5, look for the strong buy, and hit it like that. That's how I get my sniper entries. So check this out, see what you think. If you have any questions, contact me. be sure and go to my website, omodalton.com, and check out and subscribe to my YouTube page so that when more of these things come out, more of these helpful videos come out, you'll be sure to know that they've come out. Now, one more thing I wanted to show you is if you get comfortable, with this, you can go to settings, okay? And this is for the elites, okay? This is if you really get comfortable, okay? Here it is. If you get really comfortable with this indicator, you can come down here. You can go to inputs, and this key level, you can drop it down like this, and it gets you even stronger entries, okay? So play with this. You see it starts at 40. Let me show you. I'm moving this line right here. This is the key level. You can take this key level down and move it down to more around like a 30, and you see how it tightens up these entries right here, and it gets you even stronger sniper entries, okay? Guys, this is an amazing tool. Practice it, use it, message me if you need a one-on-one with it. Check out omodalton.com. Be sure and subscribe to these videos. Happy trading.